Alright guys, so I'm going to be bleaching my hair in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys what I use. I wear wigs. For this year I'm trying to grow my hair out, so I wear wigs more often than I wear my natural hair, so I don't bleach it as often. I'm going to be showing you guys what I use to do it. I want it a little bit lighter than this, and so I'm going to be using a brand new powder. I haven't tried it before, so this is my first impression of it. And I'm just gonna walk you guys through the process. Very easy how I lighten my hair.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of.
Guys, so I just finished applying the mixture to my hair, and I'm telling you, I got so much, like one pack was good enough to cover my entire head. I just cleaned up the edges. I went in on the edges and looked for any baby hairs or any, small hairs that were not covered, and I just did that and straightened up the back and everything. So now I'm going to apply my steam cap, and I'm going to leave this on for about 20 minutes. Hopefully I can have it on for that long. I'm going to leave it for about 20-25 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out, and I'm going to show you guys what I use to wash my hair out and keep it brassy free.
Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate. Innovate, innovate, innovate. Move like the sunlight.
Never stop.